I am Achilleas, and today I invite you to walk with me through Nemea. Not just a place on the map, but a land where myth, strength, and silence meet. In the heart of the Peloponnese, among rolling hills and sun-drenched vineyards, grows a grape as deep as its story. Agiorgitiko, they call it the blood of Hercules. And when you stand in Nemea at sunset, you begin to understand why. Long ago, in this very land, Hercules defeated the Nemean lion, a beast whose skin no weapon could pierce. Strength, courage, endurance. These are not just mythological virtues here, they are cultivated in the soil. Agiorgitiko is not a loud grape. It does not shout, it unfolds. Ruby in color, sometimes almost dark as garnet, it carries aromas of ripe red fruit, sweet spice, hints of clove, sometimes even a whisper of chocolate. But what makes it unforgettable is its balance, soft tannins, velvet texture, a warmth that lingers, not aggressively, but confidently, like someone who knows their power and doesn't need to prove it. In Nemea, altitude changes everything. At lower elevations, Agiorgitiko becomes generous and fruit-forward, perfect for convivial tables and laughter among friends. Climb higher and the grape tightens its structure. It becomes more contemplative, more refined, just like us. The same soul expressed differently depending on where it grows. That is the beauty of Nemea. When you taste Agiorgitiko, do not rush. Let it open, let it breathe. Notice how it moves. First fruit, then spice, then something earthy and grounding. It is a wine of presence, a wine that belongs both at a festive table and in a quiet evening of reflection. In Greece, wine is never just a drink. It is memory. It is hospitality. It is the bridge between myth and modern life. And in Nemea, Agiorgitiko carries that bridge within every bottle. So when you find yourself holding a glass of this deep red wine, remember, you are not just tasting a grape. You are tasting a landscape shaped by legend. You are tasting resilience. You are tasting Nemea. I am Achilleas, and this is Stories and Grapes from the Vineyards of Greece.